Hello kiddos, this is Mrs. Rowley with a quick tutorial over Workplace 2B, Division Capture. When you click on the link, it will bring you to the instruction page. It tells you what each player needs, and that's already embedded right into this game. Players each spin the spinner. The player who gets the higher number goes first and decides whether to use the red or the blue pencil to mark his or her combinations. Well, we know in our digital world that you don't have to use red or blue, so you just pick a color and stick with it, please. Players take turns spinning the spinner and using the number spun to complete one of the division problems on the sheet. Each player needs to be sure to use their own color. If the box a player needs is already filled, the player loses that turn. Players try to capture 3 or 4 boxes in a row, whether that's horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Players continue taking turns until the game board's filled, or neither player can use the number they spun 3 times in a row. Players then circle the places on the grid where they got 3 or more in a row, add up their scores, and the player with the higher score wins. All right, so you're trying to capture 3 or 4 numbers or boxes in a row. So let's go to the game board. Now I know that the directions said spin the spinner to see who goes first, but they've embedded this cute little die, so I'm going to toss it to see who goes first. And then I'm going to choose my color. All right, so I'm playing by myself, and that's okay because I'll just use 2 different colors, all the more practice for me. Spin the spinner, I end up with a 4. I'm going to magnify this game just to make it a little bit easier, and I'm picking my favorite color first, which is purple. All right, so let's see. I need to find the box or the big rectangle in which the 4 will fit in the box. And I think this is going to do it right here. All right, so then it is another player's turn. If I don't have another player, then I'm just going to pick a different color, and I get 4 again. And so now I'm looking to see, is there another place a 4 can go? And there is. I'll pick green. I can go here. Whoops. It happens. All right. And so I'm going to continue with this pattern until I can't go 3 times in a row. And then I'm going to count up the boxes that I got 3 or 4 in a row, and that will be my score. So, you notice I spun a 4 again, so I was looking for a 4, and taking a cursory look, I don't see where a 4 would go. I think I do. It's purple's turn again, so here we go. A 4 could go right here. 4 can go in a couple different places. That's interesting to me. And 7, 8, 9, so they should be skip count. You should skip count. I don't know. I was thinking about how to verify that. Okay, sorry, just thinking out loud. All right, so that's how you play this game. This is a really, really great skill just to practice these facts and to get used to where they are on a multiplication chart, you know, kind of acquaint yourself with how to use a multiplication chart. You know, it's relaxing. This is a no pressure game. You're just playing for fun. So I hope you enjoy playing. And don't forget to take that picture and upload it into Google Classroom.